In Karnataka, Coorg, 6 km from Club Mahindra, total 3-acre beautiful land with well-maintaining Robusta, Arabic coffee, pepper and many other trees, tar road frontage, water and electricity facilities, beautiful natural view around foggy and cool weather, suitable for resort, homestay, holiday home, villa purpose, per acre 35 lakh, asking slightly negotiable. Thank you.
Yes, maybe.